What's up YouTube, it's Sofan from TechCycle. In this video I'm going to unbox generic Canon LP E-12 batteries. If I'm being more specific about the product, I'm going to unbox DVISI Canon LP E-12 batteries for the Canon M series cameras. Also, I'm going to give you guys my thought on the battery as I used that battery for more than 2 weeks. Before we jump into the unboxing segment, I need to convey you guys two things. Two things that hold me back before I made my mind to purchase these batteries. First one is the volt on these generic batteries. The voltage shown on the battery is 7.4 volt, but on the Canon batteries it is 7.2 volt. So I'm little bit having confusion because I'm afraid of my camera being something happening to my camera if I use the 7.4 volt battery. And the second thing that is problem for me is the battery charger. So on a thread or on some of the product page, I don't remember correctly, but on a thread or on the product page I seen a review that is this generic battery is not being recharged using this Canon battery charger. So they need their own battery charger. So I'm little bit afraid on that side too, but I took the chance and it's working perfectly. It is getting charged by using this Canon battery charger. So now to the delivery of this battery. This battery got delivered to me in 20 days, which is fast for AliExpress. Usually on AliExpress delivery take about 30 to 45 days, but for this product it is very fast. About the package, this packaging is good. It comes with a yellow. It comes in yellow envelope as you see in the unboxing segment. And for the charging time of this battery, it took about 2 hours 30 minutes for a battery to fully charge. And this time is the center point for all the 3 batteries. So all these 3 batteries charge in that time, that particular interval of time, that is 2 hours to 2 hours 30 minutes. So now to the battery life of this particular battery. I can't give you guys a perfect count or the number of shots it can take with the fully charged battery, but I can give you guys my usage and the number of shots it took. On my usage, it took about 193 photos and 2 videos, each being 1 minute long. And my camera setting is like display on IFPS. For this 195 shot, I took about more than 4 hours. For this more than 4 hour time, the camera is never been turned off. So it is a pretty long standby time. I can't provide you guys a perfect number of count or the number of shots it can take with a fully charged battery, as I didn't go for a continuous shoot with a battery. So sorry about that, but I can assure you guys that by using this battery, that is by using this battery, a fully charged battery, you can get more than 150 shots. Also, one thing to note that if you are buying this battery, please check all the batteries, as one of my battery is a degraded battery. I can't give you guys enough detail, but on that battery, when I am shooting, it is going to suddenly turn off without showing any warning of the battery low or change the battery pack. It is going to suddenly turn off the camera. So it is like a degraded battery. But apart from that single battery, other 2 batteries working perfectly. And now for the verdict. When we look at the price, this is like a bang for the buck, as for $16.38 you are going to get 3 DVISI batteries, which is like bang for the buck. And when we compare it with the spec versus performance, this is not like that. It's not giving what it can. It is shown as 1800 milliampere, but it is not giving that performance. It is only giving the performance of 800 milliampere battery. So it's not, when we look at the spec versus performance, this is not that thing you need. And for me, apart from that degraded battery, everything is working fine. And if I'm being more conscious while using that degraded battery, I can use that too. So it is like a perfect purchase for me. And I don't know much about the degradation of this battery, as I didn't use this battery for that much. I didn't use this battery for that long. So I can't give you guys my opinion on the degradation. So that's all about this. That's going to finish this unboxing segment. plus review segment. So that's all about this video, guys. If you think this video sucks, that button. If you think this video is awesome, hit the like button and stick with us, so you might find something interesting.